Let's play some
schools and stuff
music.
because of the breaks. The only way I'll ever actually play Stardew is if I get.
Oh yeah. Oh damn. You guys aren't hearing this. This is a banger. Oh hell yeah. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, dude. This is a banger. Alright. The banger. Hey, it's Tiffany. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good time. I'm just setting things up here. Don't mind me. I'm just setting things up and eating peanut butter. Doing good, doing good. Did we meet at TwitchCon? Were you at TwitchCon? I literally have peanut butter. It's crazy. Let me show you. Oh, it's stuck to the napkin. Okay. I just have some peanut butter. It's like a spoon of peanut butter. I don't know. Don't even judge me. Okay. Well, yes, LOL, yes. I met you at TwitchCon. It's Pokemon meetup. Oh, cool. Nice. Play Pokemon Go. That's awesome. Dang, I'm lagging a little bit. So I gotta turn something off. Let me turn this off. Turn that. I think I'm sorry for the lag. I'm sorry. Let me close some stuff. Some people think it's crazy. I mean, for eating a spoonful of pee, but I think it's dope. I mean, it's just it's protein. A little bit of protein. We're good. We're chilling. Nice. Where are you located? Oh, damn. Can I play an ad real quick? Let me play an ad real quick. I'm so sorry. I gotta pre-roll these ads. We'll do 1 minute. I'll be back. It's so laggy. What am I doing? Maybe maybe they're doing stuff in other places. Don't play much anymore. No worries. Most people fell off a while ago. You play any video games at all? Or do you do any programming? I wonder if the bot's working. Dang, why is Twitch being so slow on me? Let me turn that off and then see. Okay. Stream seems excellent. Dang. Anything else open? That's suspect. I don't think so. I think my roommates are just doing a bunch of stuff on the computer at the moment. Unfortunately, I'll just pause the stream there. And hey, Tiffany, can you see me? Am I kind of laggy? Like my stream? Is my stream lagging or is it okay? I wonder if the chat GPT's in here. No? Error. Dang, I gotta restart chat GPT. Chat GPT. wonder what's taking up all my... Maybe I should close all that. I don't think you're lagging. Oh, really? Okay, well, that's awesome. My upload speed is good. That means my download speed is scuffed. There we go. The music's coming back. Someone's downloading something. The upstairs neighbors downloading. You know what they're downloading? You know what they love upstairs? They got their... I don't know, you know, they got their foot... weird, furry... I don't even want to say, dude. I don't even want to say. I'm trying to remember where I met you. At the... Oh well. I met so many people at TwitchCon, it's crazy. TwitchCon was so much fun though. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I want to go back again. I'm gonna restart the chat bot. Let's see if it lets me. PM2 restart 0. Go applying. Okay, so that should restart the bot, and then that means I should be able to go to my website and log in. Let me log in real quick. Can I get on my website? Is it gonna let me? I might pause the music for a second. Yeah, that was my first time at TwitchCon. Yep. Yes. Indeed. Indeed. What about you? Did you like TwitchCon? As much as I did? Okay. This is, that looks good. Let's go to, maybe I should have had the logs up. PM2 logs. Signing in. Okay. Good. Press this button. If it lets me. It's doing stuff. Okay. I'm just trying to get the chatbot online that I made. Here we go. We're back in business. All right. And then let me get text to speech working. I just have to restart Unity because the this model is actually just the Unity running in the background because I'm cheap and I don't want to actually pay for like anybody's animating service subscription that everybody's trying to sell everybody, you know what I'm saying?
Hello
Everything
there,
here is
sweetie
homemade.
pie.
This is a
What can
homemade
make your day
channel.
Even more wonderful. UWU.
Homemade.
Hello there, and it's Tiffany. Sending you lots of hugs and cuddles to make your day extra special. Hiya Tilda UWU.
Oh yeah, I hope you're ready for the cringe. It's gonna be real. Thank you. Thank you. It was a lot of fun to make that bot. I'll work on it more later on. Right now I'm working on my video game. I'm trying to make a tile for the grid because let me show you what the game looks like actually. Let me show you the game so far. It's actually kind of cool. What I got, except it's not really playable, but we got some cool features already. We got lobby. Oh, I didn't know you can drag this around. Oh yeah, it's like a scroll thing. Anyways, you go to your deck builder, you build your deck, you save your deck, and then you go join a game that's open. So I'll join that one, this one, because this is all supposed to be like a multiplayer support thing. Then you can start, and then the game looks like this. You got some cool cards you can play, and you can like do stuff, highlight the card, it gets big, looking good. I have a custom shader for the glowy effect. The glowy effect was cool. Actually, yeah, that was fun. And then, yeah, so you just play a card. I move this dude. He moves up there. Now, I don't have that card anymore. I play this card. Running out of movement cards. Yup. And then I have attack cards, but I don't think I'm in range anywhere. So then you end your turn. And then the other dude plays. And then you're in there. You're in there. But right now I want to make the tiles look a little bit cooler because I just chose like a random weird tile. But I don't know. Yeah, maybe kind of want some textures or something. Yeah, I don't know. It would be cool to have something there. We can try a few things. Anyways, that's that. Let's see. I'm starting with the black tile this time, so we're gonna see how that goes. But the weird thing is, like, the whole background is black also, so that might get kind of weird. So, you know what? I know there's a cool way to have like a cool background with like still images. It's like a really cheap way to get a background that looks like it's moving, but it's not really. I wish I had an example. I asked the question a while ago. Sprite render. I'll just ask the question again. How can I have a still image in a background for Unity? Actually, let me do 4.0. That is a still image, but looks like it's animated by changing the perspective. Where'd it go? I thought what the heck? Oh my goodness. Can I ask a question? Hi. Dude, I gotta refresh. Stupid ChatGPT 4. Dude. Grr. Okay. Let me look back at these things. Red. Glowy red. That's kind of cool. Dang, pretty. How about gothic frame? I like gothic stuff. Kind of look. I like the gothic looking stuff, like sinister and dark. Oh yeah. Come on, reload. Something happening? I don't think so. I just can't internet it right now. There's no internets for me. In that case, I think I'm gonna work on the programming if the internet's not that great. Let's just open up. Let me close all this. Let's open up other programs, and what I gotta do first. A discard pile. That's what I want. I need to create a discard pile. Which editor namespace? Okay. I can do that in the player class. We'll make it in the player class. Let us have a cool discard pile because you want to see the cards you played already, and you also discard pile. Should I use properties? Get set. You want to see the cards you played, and then also when you play all your cards, you got to redraw all the cards in your hand at the same time. So Yeah, that means whenever a card is played, let me go to the array controller. We are going to do on right click, left click. Wait, where's on left click? On left click, if it's a card, we do the on click listener, and this does a bunch of stuff. But the main thing it does is, I think it destroys a card. Hold up. On click, use current player. Oh no, that's not it. Oh yeah, execute card action. This is what I was looking for. I don't know what I was thinking. What's target? Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. On execute card action, we go to the movement card. Attack unit, and then afterwards destroy card and put it in the discard pile. Sounds like a plan to me. All right. And then we're gonna do unit.owner.hand. Do I have a discard function? Discard card? I do. I can reuse this card. Reset hand index for each hand. Okay, what I want to do is I don't necessarily want to destroy the card, actually. Move to discard pile. So in the hand, we have an owner. Maybe unit dot. Okay, you know what? The discard pile, I guess, is attached to the player discard pile. Yep, and then we set it equal to. Well, okay, let me make sure this is initialized. Discard pile. And this is supposed to be a list, actually. So let's make that a list. Let's do list of cards. Okay. Am I doing this? Can't even. I literally can't even. Card list discard pile. Piler. That looks right to me. Just complaining more. Public card list discard. Discard. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the what this is. Can I resolve symbol discard pile? What did I scuff? List card. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. I seriously don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, it's like I forgot programming. Okay, no, we're good now. Rename the discarded pile, sure. We're gonna do discarded pile equals new list, okay, and then we do add card, boom, okay. We have that, and this is like a generic discard card function. Okay, sounds good. I just gotta make sure that the movement card also and the attack card both call this function. So I should go back. Let me go to make sure. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, discard pile. We got discard pile. And then when you run out of cards, something that happens. I wonder if I should just have players redraw there. And that makes sense to me. Maybe. Gotta think about that. How are we gonna handle the card situation? Player runs out of cards. I guess they just redraw their hand, but I'm wondering they're gonna end up with like an attack card in their hand. They can't use it or something. So it's gonna be kind of weird. Maybe every turn you just draw one card back. I have to think about balancing this game. Drawing one card seems a little too slow. Okay, so when the turn starts, I guess I'm gonna have the player draw one card from the discard pile for now. We'll just have the player draw one card. We'll keep it simple. We'll make it more exciting as we move forward. But for now, we'll just keep it simple. When the turn starts, if there are cards in the discard pile, we'll just draw them. So if I go to the end turn function, I'm gonna do, when we have this switch happening over here, make database call. Yeah, we gotta do that eventually. Draw one card from discard pile. So let's go ahead and do, how about we do current player dot, oh, we need like a draw cards function that takes in a number. I guess that should be in the hand class. Where is the draw cards function anyway? I know there is a draw cards function over here. Okay. This is in the hand, yeah, but this is not named correctly. Let me comment this out for a second, but this should be like draw everything. Because I'm looping through all the cards, so this is really just draw all cards. I'm gonna rename it to what it actually does. Draw all cards. There we go. And then I'm gonna make a new function. Summary. Draw the number of cards given by the parameter. Okay. And ChatGPT, can you fix it? Let's do public void draw cards, int num cards, discard pile. Yep. Draw a card from the discard pile. Discard pile dot remove. Okay, cool. Yeah, cards that add, and then can position cards that count. Yeah, okay, cool. But we gotta check that the discard pile. Check. Discard pile is not empty. Else return. If player dot discard pile dot count, not contains, do we have a count? Equals 0, we're just gonna return. Okay. Okay, cool. And so now we got the draw cards function going on over here. What we're gonna do is on the end turn, we're gonna go to here, we're gonna draw cards, we're gonna have them, we're gonna do draw cards, we're gonna do it. Well, let's do hand dot draw cards. There we go. Okay, we draw one card. Sounds cool. Sounds like a plan. The next thing I gotta do, let me think. We have a way to draw cards. We have a way to switch turns. Oh, I want to be able to see the other player's cards on the screen. So I need to look at. Hold up. Let me commit all this. Implemented away. Implemented discard pile. Bam. Okay. We got the discard pile. So the next step is I want to see the card backs. I want to see the player's card backs in the game because currently we don't see what the player has, which looks kind of not that great. And also, I'm working on that still images. I think ChatGPT. Okay. How do some games get that cool background with a still image? But it looks animated. I think they are just messing with the perspective of the static image to make it look animated. How can I do that for the background in my game in Unity? I know there's a cool trick you can do. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. We're trying to figure that out. But yeah, I need to look at my assets and I can look at some imported stuff that I got. I'm gonna switch the song. Let's see. Magic circles, that's cool. Modular cards, I think this is it. Here we go, we got some card backs. So if I can make a prefab. How about what would be good ones? We can check them out. I guess we got this one, that one. We got a bunch of card backs we can use for the opponent's cards. These are the fronts. Some mushrooms, shrooms. That's kind of cool. Maybe I shouldn't have the option of, like, allowing you to choose which card back you want, or maybe I'll just make you just have to unlock them, you know? We'll start with the simple one. Alright, I'm gonna pre-roll on that real quick. I'll be right back! If you're still there, Tiffany, not sure. Well, thanks for enjoying the stream. All right. We're gonna use this card back, and oh, hey, it's still there. Thanks for watching the stream. Feel free to talk to the waifu. If the waifu's still here. Hi.
Hello there, lovely. How did I make your day even more wonderful? Use WU.
We'll use this card back. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make a copy of this prefab because I don't want to break it. But let's see. I'm gonna do. Which ones are these different? Yeah, I'll do this one. Dropping here would result in a cyclic nesting of prefabs, which is not supported. Oopsies, I didn't want to do that. I just want to do this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack completely, and then I'm going to go to the card prefabs and drag this back in here. So now I should have a new one that's disconnected from the original. And now that I have a disconnected prefab, I can not mess up the original. And then, okay, enough of that. Where'd it go? Card back right there. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this now, and the game, sure. Okay, I have to track the card back. I think this is gonna be let the spawn manager, maybe the card master. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add it to the card master. Okay, Is that what I want to do? Yeah, let's just do it. It's called Card Master. It should do card stuff. Sounds like a plan. Okay, let's go to the Card Master. We're gonna create another dictionary. Public card backs dictionary. Card backs. We're gonna define a new enum over here. I wonder if I should just make a proto buff with the enum. How do I map this? I could make a proto buff. You know what? I need to make a proto buff for this because I will need to handle this on the server at some point. If I want to let players choose, or like their card backs, they can choose, give them an option. So the easiest thing to do is just go to the deck.proto and add an enum. Deck.proto. Let's go. Deck.proto. Come on, somewhere. Oh, it's way up here. Boom. Let's do card backs. These are the quests. Okay, I'll do it right here. Message, card backs. Oh wait, no, this is not a message. It's enum. Just do an enum and then default. I think all we're gonna have is a default right now. Generate some comments gray with gem in middle. Red. Actually, I don't know. I need to name these. How am I gonna name card backs? Anyone good at coming up with names? Card prefabs, game components. Where'd it go? Plugin, modular cards. We have. They're just naming them. These are just 1 through 12. All right. Card back 1, card back 2. So let's see. This has a gem, plain gem. We'll call that plain gem. We'll call that funky your plain gem, and then that fancy. Okay, how about we have purple plain gem. Purple. This is like big gem. Purple big gem equals 2, and then fancy purple gem is number 3. Okay, that's good enough for now. I'm not gonna do all of them. I'll get to do the rest later on. Python protalk.py all. Okay, let's recompile those proto buffs, and that should give me data types for that. I have to go to a serializable dictionary and serializable dictionaries. I need to add our serializable public class. Serializable? Can I spell? I think that's right. Serial. Okay. Public class. This is going to be card backs dictionary. Card backs enum. I think it's just card backs. There we go. Okay. Cool. Public. Okay, cool. Looks good. Let's go here. Card backs dictionary. Yup. Now if I go to the card master in Unity, we should have this card backs field available. Whoa, why is it like this though? Oh, I gotta fix it. Something. I missed a step in the drawer. Serializable point dictionary is this thing? No. I think it's in the editor. There's something I gotta do. Here we go, dictionary drawer. Okay, cool. Let's do custom property drawer. Type of Cardbacks dictionary. Cool. Okay, so now if I go back to Unity, it should look nicer. This is all we're doing. We're doing all this just to have card backs so we can see the back of the cards that the player has. Okay, let's add it. Cool. Now we have that, and then I can go to my prefabs. In the card prefabs, where'd the card master go? Card. This Unity's project thing is kind of annoying sometimes. Okay, so we got the default. I can do. So the default's just going to be this gray one, so I'm just going to add it. Oh crap! It's not supposed to be a sprite. It's supposed to be a game object. So I gotta fix this. This is a game object. It's supposed to be prefab. Okay. I think that's all I gotta do. Yeah, okay. Let's try this again. Card master, and let's drag this into here. Nice. Okay, so we got the default one. I'm just gonna give everyone the default one in the beginning to make things simple, just to make sure things are working. So I'm going to go to the spawn manager where the cards get created, but I also want the card backs to be created, so at some point when the cards get spawned, it's like the last thing that kind of happens. This is not supposed to be that. This is supposed to be draw all cards, but over here, draw card backs from opponent if player ID is not the current player. So I guess if we do static game data dot player ID does not equal, or say if it equals player proto, wait, yeah, if it equals the player proto.id return, otherwise we can do something like this, draw card backs. Yeah, okay. That's kind of getting on the right track here, but I don't know why we're doing all that stuff. We could just do that and then get component and children. I don't need to do that because I already have a reference. I could just do player.hand. And also this is crazy too. I don't need to do all that. Player.hand. It's a lot more simple than all of that. Unity is trying to make things more complicated. Okay. So I got to implement that function. This is going to be in the hand animator actually. I don't think this is going to be in... I feel like it should be in the hand animator when I think about it. Let me go to the hand animator. I'm gonna do, there's actually not that much stuff in here, but anyways, okay, public void draw opponent card backs. Okay, and then so this is going to be actually hand animator dot draw opponent card backs. I should probably give the player the list of cards. I might just have to give everything like like a static game data dot, and this is going to be player proto dot id. Signable long is not signable as parameter type int. Oh, it takes the game ID first. Okay, we can just do static. I think I have the game ID. Oh, that's in the player preferences, huh? Am I referencing this anywhere else? Player dictionary? Add. Player. What are we calling this up here? Oh, I'm doing over here. Oh, we already got it. Okay, so I could just do unit proto list, just like this. Unit proto list. And then this can just take unit proto list. All right. That should do that. Draw opponent's card backs. Nice. I wonder what's this? Make it static? We'll see. We'll see. How would I implement this? I would need some funky. I would have to reference the camera. So we have the player 2 camera somewhere. Get camera of opponent. So opponent's camera. I think we can do player to camera. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to implement as much as is possible. Can you implement a function that draws that given? Okay, I need to give ChatGPT the input. So the input's going to be this unit proto list, the opponent's camera, and the card back. Okay, so how do I get the card back? I need the card master. So let's do card back equals card master. Do I have the card master here? Nope. I should be able to have it somewhere. Where is the card master? Is it not in the hand? The chant? Card, no? Damn. Where do I keep it? Do I keep it in the game manager? Card master's right here. It's on the spawn manager. Ooh, okay, let's just do. Can we get this? I'm gonna do something kind of rough here. I don't like using the find function in Unity because it's a little inefficient, but for now we'll just do it this way. Game manager. Then I'm gonna do get component. We're gonna do spawn manager. Then we're gonna do card master. Is there no card master? I thought. Is it private? It's private. In that case, I might just give every single player the card master. Maybe every single hand gets a card master. Oh, wait a second. What is this? I have the card master. But it's not public. Okay. Yeah, we're not using inheritance. I'm using composition for this, but so I can't use protected. It's got to be public. Okay, that's fine. So now we can ditch all this. I have a card master. Almost. Hand dot card master dot card backs, and then we're just gonna do maybe not 0, but let's get the card backs dot default. Nice. Okay, so now we got that card back. We got all the input. Proto list. But I need to tell ChatGPT what this unit proto list looks like. Actually, all we care about is the count. Okay, let's just ask ChatGPT. Can you write a function that spawns the card back prefab depending on the number of cards in the unit proto list in front of the opponent camera? So it's facing away from the camera because it's supposed to be seen by other cameras in the scene. I have no idea if I was able to describe the situation to ChatGPT well enough. Let's see what it comes up with. Card spacing, cool, good idea. Play 2 cameras, it's still fine. Here's an example. The Alicia cards should be posted from the opponent camera and face away from it so that they are visible to other cameras in the scene. Yeah. Okay. So all we're doing is this stuff. Okay. I'm just going to copy. I might need this. I'm just going to copy the parts of the function. What? Well, I didn't copy that right. Let's try again. Here we go. We're just gonna copy the parts of the function that makes sense. Float. Okay. And that's gonna be this stuff. Put on cameras, no. Maybe return an error. Sure. Okay, I think that's all. Try. Format. Card spacing. What's wrong with this? To const. Good idea. Opponent camera not found. Sure. The only thing, yeah, this needs to be unit protos dot count. Oh damn! Wait a second. Nope, that's not supposed to be. Well, for int j equals 0. We got to do the inner loop to get the cards. So it's going to be are we going to use J or I plus J? How do we do this? The inner loop. Card back. Position rotation. Okay. Let's delete all that. Card spacing J. This is supposed to be maybe. Is this supposed to be I plus J? Let me ask you. Is the spacing not overlapping? The inner loop's confusing me. I think because if we finish an inner loop, it's gonna go back to the beginning, so we don't necessarily want to start over. I think it's I times J. No, that wouldn't make sense. It would be 0 times 1. If we want to flatten it, I think we just have an easy thing to do would be have a third variable that counts everything. Okay, int num cards or card index. Sure, we'll just do card index here, and then all I'm gonna do is card index plus plus, making simple. What is this? We're at 4 each? Okay. Whoa. Unit proto. Okay. And I think that's all we gotta do. We can also convert this to a 4 each. More variable, I think we're not using J anywhere. Are we? No, I don't think so. Wonder why it's not. Move variable declaration with initialization to outer scope. No. Reverse for loop? What the heck? Okay. Whatever. That should be fine, I think. That should be fine. Are we calling this somewhere? Yep. Oh my gosh, I am afraid to test this out, but we're gonna test it out right now and see what happens. Let's just go to a login. Are we gonna see anything with that? Are we gonna see what we want, which is the card backs? And after this, I'm gonna get a drink and stuff, so I'll take a quick break and play an ad. Let's try to log in. Yo, there's a null reference exception right away. Card max at default. Why is that happening? I added it to the card master. It should be right here. It's the default. What went wrong? We have these card backs. Yeah, it's right here. Unless I used the wrong enum. This is the enum by gRPC that looks right. So what's null here? What's null in this case? Bam, it looks like it doesn't tell me. So anything in this chain can be null. It could be the card master. I mean, the hand could be null. It could be the card master. You know what? It might just be the card master. Now I think about it. When does this get initialized? Does it ever get initialized? Let me go to the hand. Where is the hand? I guess the hand is part of the player prefab. Yep, okay. What's the hand? The card master. It is there indeed. And we have these. Okay. Then what is it complaining about? Card master's there. Card backs should be there. Yeah. And then we're indexing the dictionary. Huh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna set a breakpoint here. We're gonna attach the debugger. I'm gonna be right back and get some water or something to drink. Give me a sec. Running an ad. All right, I'm back. Got some Pepsi. Wait, no, this is Coke. Coca-Cola is supposed to be cherry flavored, but it doesn't taste like cherries. All right, Coke or Pepsi fan? That's the question. What are you? And where was I? I was debugging this. Okay, so debugger is attached. We're gonna rerun the game. Got stretch. Let's run this. Boom. Join. Let's see. Breakpoint should have been a hit. It does look like there are things that are null. Okay. What's null? The hand? Oh my gosh, of all things that are null. How is the hand null? Draw opponent card backs. It's because this gets called before the hand is called? That's kind of crazy. Oh yeah. The spawn manager. Okay, so to fix that, let's just let this error go through, and then I'm gonna have to actually go to the project settings and script execution order. What's the order? Is the spawn manager in here? No. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the hand, or the hand animator, I guess. I guess that's what I gotta do. That's kind of funky, but let's try again. There's race conditions, is what that's called. So I gotta make sure the hand animator is initialized right away. Huh, I gotta think about that for a second. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think this is gonna fix anything now that I think about it. We'll try it. We'll try. It looks like the hand is still null. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so that didn't do anything because I believe I have to set the reference. Unless, you know what? What if I do on enable? Or no, on awake. Awake? I haven't tried this yet. This might actually work. Awake. That might actually work. Let's try it out. Awake might be the play. Okay, let's go back here. Let's restart. Dang, this music is dropping bombs. I'm not allowed the music's. Music's too loud. Or should I turn that shit up? Turn it up. Turn that shit up. Bam. BPB. 1, 2, 3. Join. Bam. Is the card hand still? No. Hey, the hand is there. So awake was the play. It was awake. Okay. Card master's there. Card backs are there. Everything's there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No errors. That's good. I don't. Well, let me fix the project settings again. We can get rid of this. We're not gonna need that. I do see the card backs. They're not in view. They are somewhere. Where are they? Oh, damn. They're here. Raffle them out. There should be way back there. So what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to spend all time. Actually, let's look at the code for a second. I want to see where this gets spawned. We're doing card spacing. We're doing opponent camera dot transform dot right, like card spacing. But where's the initial spawn point? Oh, wait a second. Let me think. Wait a minute. I got this confused. It should be like this. Okay. We are kind of close to what we want, but except they need to be down more, so... How about... if I do something simple like... down... fifth position down. Does that work? Opponent dot camera dot transform dot. There's forward. Is there upward? Up. That's kind of what I want. Position plus equals transform dot up. I want to do minus equals. Let's just try that. Let's see what that does. And let's actually just do 1 0. Maybe I'm onto something here. Let's restart. Maybe that'll... we'll do some more micro adjustments, but I need to get the general area right first. Right now the cards were up too high, so we're just bringing them down a little bit. Boom, boom. That didn't help. Okay. Did that even do anything? The cards are there. I guess they're a little bit more downwards. But I need something more dramatic than that, I guess. Princess Spectre. They need to be like... this needs to be down. The Z needs to be down to like -5. I guess. Is that in the scene? It's kind of in the scene. Also, why is it... oh, I was just grabbing the diamond thing. They kind of... okay, let's bring us all down. The game, and they should be more rotated like the other way, so it should be like this. So rotation should be like, I want to say 90. I can't click on the other thing. Let me move this. Get that out of the way. And let's rotate this. It's gonna be... this is kind of funky now that I think about it. Okay, it's at 0 normally. So we want it to be more up like that. So I'm gonna say 55. Okay, 55 seems good. Set rotation to 55. Bam. Set Z position, or offset Z position by -50, -5. We'll just do -5. Z minus equals -5. Okay. Sounds like a plan. I think we're gonna try this out. If I get this right the first time, that'd be awesome. Well, this is really like my third time. It's already like my third time, so I already failed that. But if I get this the first third time, maybe, then that'd be cool. Let's see. Join. Dang it. Okay, not quite. They're up here. I set the Z position to -5. What happened? That didn't change the Z position. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. How do I change the Z position? This didn't work. What about the Z? You can local partners desire to hack this vision, which is already in. Might not have been, but it didn't even change the Z coordinate because it's still 0. These are all still 0. One of the camera support right is gonna be done by adding. Okay, well, I can't do this thing. I'm just gonna do spawn point. Oh, I see what I did. What'd I do? Oh, yeah, that should be fine. What the heck? Z minus equal to 5. I wonder why the position didn't get set to -5. Did not compile? Okay, maybe I'll just position minus equals opponent camera transform dot up times 10. Okay, let's just see this. Let's just see what that does. I'm a little confused about why this wasn't applied, but maybe if we use the vector thing instead, that might work. You can... Working with vectors sometimes gets me. Not boob. Bam! Okay. Start. Now where are the cards? They disappeared? Are they below the scene? Maybe they're below the scene. I can't see them. Dang, why can't I move very fast? What happened? There we go. Oh, they are below the scene. They're down here. Okay. This time. Oh. Yeah, I think I get it. Yeah, okay. I was misunderstanding stuff. Okay, so it really should be like over here. What position is that? That's like over here. This is like still too high. So like down here? Isn't that too low? Can't really see. We can kind of see what the camera is going, but it looks like we want these like over here. There we go. We're getting there. So we kind of want them there a little bit, and down. Whoops. And also rotate it just slightly because there's like a little bit of tilt. There we go. Nice. Like perfect. Okay. So I just have to remember where these coordinates are. Or maybe I'll just take a screenshot of this card. And then in the code, we're just gonna set the coordinates. I'm gonna do position dot z equals negative 8.1 f. Can I not do that? Then I'm gonna do position dot y equals negative 5.78 f. I'm gonna do rotation. Oh, I don't know if I can set the rotation. Rotation dot z equals 3.845 f. Okay. And then the x can just stay how it is. That's going to be modified. Okay. Transform that right. Okay, I don't actually think it's going to work. Now that I think about it, we'll see. We'll compile. We're compiling. And then okay. Alright. Come on, give me something. No. Okay, so where'd the cards go? Are they underneath now? Or oh, they're over here? Whoa. This one is rotated. Funny. What went wrong? This rotation. Z equals. Okay, well that is funky, and I have no idea how that's happening, but okay, we're just gonna do spawn point minus equals up -7. We just gotta keep testing this until we get the spot right. It's a little rough because we're doing it relative to the second camera on the scene, which might be a mistake. We probably should do it relative to the opponent or your own camera, I guess. Oh my gosh, now the cards are flying. Spawn point. Transform dot up times -. Oh. That's supposed to be. Okay. Okay, there's gotta be a better way to do this instead of having to replay the game 100 times. Bop. 2, 3. Boom. 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 Now they are in a very funky spot. I see 2 of them. Well, are there any errors? No. It is spawning in a funky spot. What am I doing to the code? I must be clobbering the code. Transform.up. Rotation. Set to 55. Okay. Spawn point. I'm gonna turn. This music's making me depressed. Music is making me too depressed. Let's play a different song. Dang. Okay. Yeah. What the heck? This shouldn't be. Let's see. Adjust to your needs. Draw opponent card back. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Whoops. This is supposed to be up here. 1 point. Yeah. Okay. I think I figured it out. And then also, you know what? Maybe I can go ahead and set those the values again up here, and it'll work. What if I do is y equals negative 5.779 f. Okay, and then let's do spawn point z equals negative 8.190 f. Okay. Maybe I'm onto something. Possibly onto something. It might split it through rotation. This was in. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Forward vector. I don't know about that. This. Instead, oh wait, how do I change the Z position? Okay. Vector spawn point, right, forward. Oh, this is interesting. But not really what I want to do. And the rotation is not being set. This is interesting. Yeah, I'm doing that all wrong too. This isn't. That shouldn't be like that either. Okay. Well, actually, maybe that's fine up here. Okay. That's a little more, it makes a little more sense. Okay, we're figuring this out. Figuring out that I'm bad at coding vectors, basically. I'm figuring out I'm bad with vectors. Okay. Phew. Bomb, 1, 2, 3. Yup. Bam. Ooh, where'd they go? Where did they go? Oh, they're right here in my face. What the heck? This is not where I want them to be. These are not the droids. Let me see. Dang. Well, at least they look correct enough. Part 16. I did set these positions and they do look actually correct. So I'm going to. Oh, wait a second. They should be like this. And the rotation should be. Not picking up all of them. Rotation should be like that. And they should be a lot more forward, I guess. Rotation is negative 72, or I could also do like, I don't know if that matters. We'll do negative. Okay, let me set the rotation negative 65. I'll just do negative 65. Oh, this is supposed to be for, yeah, for the X. Okay. And they need to be a lot more forward. Let me see. What controls what when it moves it forward? I think it's not X. It's gonna be not Y. Okay. It's gonna be the Z coordinate. Okay. Yeah, okay. So it's gonna be like 0. What does this look like in the game? I still can't even see it. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. This. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? I am confusing the crap out of myself. Okay, 0. No, this is supposed to be 5. 10. Is this getting the right camera? What the heck? It's supposed to be 15. And then I guess I should be able to see it. Yeah. Negative 6. No. Okay. Something like that, yeah. So Z's 12. Now I'm thinking that the camera, it's not getting the right camera. Opponent camera. Rotation. So this is, well, the screenshot I got, maybe the screenshot's just wrong, but okay. So I want to do the rotation to be like 116. 116, and then I want this to be negative 5 and then 12. 12.19. And then that's still negative 5 point something. Okay. Weirdness. Let's just try this real quick. Straight up hard coding. One, 2, 3. There we go. But they're just not quite rotated how I would like them to perfectly be rotated. I wonder what happened. I set it to 116. Yeah. Okay. So it's got to be like 210 or 36, 35. And then maybe like a little bit like that. It's going into the ground a little bit, looks like. Okay. So I gotta move it up just a little bit. Okay. The ground is kind of low. I mean, high. So the rotation's like 33. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. This better work. I'm tired of trying to get this right. Let's do float. Okay. Okay. Let's pre-roll an ad too. Boom.
Hello there, cutie
Hey
card.
Freedom Dow, how's it
Happy
going?
Thanksgiving to you too.
Hey, we got the
I
cards
hope you
here.
have a day filled with wonderful
I wanna-
food, joy, and lots of WUV. And oh my goodness, a Thanksgiving
I wanna make
taco
the cards
sounds
more
absolutely
spread
adorable
apart.
and delicious. UWU.
How you doing, Freedom Dow? Welcome to the stream. Glad you're back. I am working on the card backs for the opponent, so you can see their card, the back of their hand. A little cool feature. But I'm trying to get the spacing just right here. Is he back? They rehired him? I thought he was going to Microsoft. Damn. That's crazy. That is crazy. This song is dope though. This song is sweet. What the heck? I'm gonna save that one. Is the music too loud? Naps. Oh yeah, we back. It was hard, it was worth it. It was worth it. Okay, I gotta set the spacing a little bit different. Let me see. Where am I setting the spacing? Card spacing right here. Okay, let's do. I'm thinking maybe something crazy like 1.0. Let's try that out. Let's see if they're a little more spaced apart. Yeah, this game it's coming out pretty well. It's coming out pretty well. I gotta show you. We got a lot of cool effects. We got right now. I am just about getting to implement the game mechanics. This whole time I've been implementing the UI and like the effects and stuff and the card like animations and stuff. Like when I hover over the movement card, you can see like this stuff, like the place where they can walk is highlighted, which is kind of cool. So like, and then I got shaders for the cards, this green stuff that's kind of cool around the card, and like I can click on the card and then all the illegal places are here, and I can walk in here. I guess it won't let me walk in here. Yeah, if I try to click, it won't let me. If I can click here and then the guy will move, so that's kind of cool. When I click, I should have the cards actually reappear. So actually, let me fix that real quick. That's probably gonna be in the execute on execute card action. You know what? This shouldn't be here. This should be re-show hand. That should be something like that. That should fix that. Show hand, and I think this is kind of off. How would I center that without hard coding stuff? Is the question. Cause where did I draw opponent card backs? Totally hard coding these numbers in here. Maybe I'll keep the road. I'm gonna have to find a way to programmatically do this. Let's see. These values kind of work, but the cards are not centered to the camera position, so I have to get a little bit more creative. I think what I'm gonna do is spawn point minus equals opponent camera dot up dot transform dot up transform dot up times 5. We'll try this. Can't type. Okay, there we go. We're gonna comment that out. We're gonna try this new positioning going on. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. Programmatically positioning everything is kind of difficult. It's easy to play stuff in Unity, but basically almost my entire game is generated like programmatically. Okay, the card backs are not in the right spot, unfortunately. They are sort of in the right spot. The camera, maybe the camera is not centered. Could be, but it's getting there. If I look at the camera position, whoa, these card backs should probably be somewhere. So the camera position, I guess it went down. That's where the camera angle is, right? And the math I'm doing is putting the cards in front. Supposedly in front of the camera. That doesn't look like it's in front. That looks like straight up look like it's behind the camera. What the heck? Did Unity just crash on me? Uh-oh. Something crashed. Oh, there we go. We're back. Okay, cool. Whoa, what happened? Okay. Ooh. But anyways. Whoa. Where did my camera go? Okay, yeah. This needs to be like over here. Is he the main camera? Yeah. And I guess the camera should be facing camera 2 position. Camera 2. Player 2 camera. You know what? That's weird. Oh yeah, that is player 2's camera. Okay. Dang, okay. That looks good to me though. What the heck? I am so lost when it comes with all these vector positioning stuff. Dang. This is transform that position component camera dot transform that position times 4 2. Should put it. Yeah, if you want. Trying to figure out what the heck. Let me see. Is the camera angled sideways? Looks good enough. Okay. You know what? I am not gonna do it this way. I'm going back to the hard coding business. And I'm also just gonna do spawn point dot x plus equals 0.5. Okay. Let's just try this. By the way, this video explains vector, but also tensors. Oh boy. Oh boy. What am I getting myself into?
Hi, I'm Dan Fleck.
Dude.
When people hear that the subject of my new student's guide is vectors and tensors,
Let me test this real quick. Join, start. Okay, the cards are
My goal for
here.
this video is to take about 12 minutes to answer that question.
I think I'm just gonna
Not
leave that
using
alone for now.
mathematical equations, but instead,
You know.
some simple household objects.
You know what?
including Children's blocks,
Ooh, I think
a couple of pieces of cardboard.
I think this is supposed to actually be negative minus equals 5. Okay.
I think the very best route to understand.
But anyways, that's good enough for now. I think the very best, make sure you're solid on your understanding of vectors. 12 minutes. I'll put this on my to watch videos. Sweetest man, he ain't playing game boss, sweet rest. You're gonna get it so easy seeing it. Alright. I'll watch it. We'll watch it we'll watch it. I mean, wait. I'll watch it after the stream. So I can really pay attention. Because I really want to pay attention and learn. Okay. That's cool. What else should we implement? We're good enough for the card backs for now. I think we just shift these a little bit to the right. It's good enough. We can see the opponent's cards. And then what I want to do is, let's make the tiles look a little more pretty. That's easy enough. I was doing that over here. I wanted to do something like maybe a little bit gothic, because I like the whole gothic theme, you know what I'm saying? So I can do like, maybe not that. Let's do no layering. Okay, which one of these looks spooked or something? What's this? So you have to Google Bard, explain that video, Bard, note the link. Interesting. Okay, let's get something gothic. This is kind of gothic. It needs to be white. Can I make it white? Never mind, I thought it was something else. Ooh, this is a banger too. There's a lot of bangers here. Okay. I don't know if the music's too loud. Or maybe it's not loud enough. Should we turn that shit up, fam? How about this? This is, that's kind of cool. But that doesn't really look gothic. Well, it is kind of gothic. It looks naturey. A little naturey. I want something like straight up gothic. Gothic frame. Graphics. Maybe Victorian? No, not really Victorian. Let's go back to what I was searching for. Gothic frame. Something. I know what I'm looking for. None of these. Not quite. Something like this, but square. Dang. What's this? That's kind of interesting. Maybe. It's kind of a little too exotic. It's gonna look really big and take up most of the squares, kind of the issue. But it looks kind of cool enough. It would be like this. And I need to add effects to this somehow. I wonder. Edit image. Let's do. Maybe white is not the right color. It should be like gray. A little bit gray, a little bit darker. Okay. A little less contrast. And I wonder how I can edit this image. Isn't there like an AI thing I can use in here? Editing your image removes the ability to change the colors. You can always undo or restore the original image. Removes the ability to change individual colors. Okay. Let's see. I guess we also like search effects. I don't slice, pixelate, color mix, liquify. What in the world? Okay, what's color mix do? Brighten your day. Okay, you know what? Let's just forget the effects. We'll just change the color. I wonder if I can add a texture to this also, because that would be really cool. Like, I wonder if they'll let me do that. Whoa, texture. Because it's kind of playing without a texture, so I don't know if I can just like slap a texture on there though. It's gonna let me do that. Give me a texture like that. Nope, it's not gonna let me apply it. No, that'd be too good. Wait. Nah. Okay, well this is fine. I'm just gonna export this. We're gonna download this. And I actually want to download two things. I want the X and that. Okay. This tile and the X to make the X a little bit better too, because the legal X button is kind of not that good. It's just a red square. We can do better. We can do better. Let's get those in the game. So it's the easy way to fix this. Let's see. I just have to find the files. Let's go to the folder, Explorer, Downloads, and we should have the cards here. Glowing tiles, extract. Come on. Go, go, go. Okay, we got them here. Oh, this is not that centered. Ah, crap. Okay, let me fix that real quick. Sheesh. What am I doing? This should be up here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try that again. Download. Oh, this time we're just going to download that one file. This one, download, done. Okay, that's downloading, and it should be there in a second. Let's go to card prefabs. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it'll be in the downloads folder. Glowing tiles. Okay, right here. So just move that here. I'm gonna delete this one. so I don't get confused. And then I'm just gonna drag both these here. We're gonna convert them to sprites. And where's the other one? Apply. Default sprite. Cool. Apply. Yup. Now I can go to the card master. Where's the card master? Over here, and oh, you know what? It's not the card master, is it? It's the board material? Isn't that what I named it? Yeah. And where did I attach it to? Can I see the references? Is that on the game manager? Okay, let me go to the game. Let me look at the game manager. Nothing here. Go to the board. Nothing. Where did I put the board manager? Board materials. Oh. Board materials. I do not know if that's a good name. Attack, tile, movement. Okay, so let's do illegal material, and then I'm gonna do that new one we just added. What did I name it? Glowing tile. Let's do illegal X. And then this is gonna be Gothic tile. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the board, or the board materials. Isn't there? Where is this scriptable object? Board material. Oh, it's like 2 words. Okay. Default tile material is gonna be the Gothic. I can't find it. Why can't I find it? It's right here. It's right there. Come on. Gothic tile. Oh, these are materials. That's right. Okay. Let's just create some materials then. Or I can just copy some of the materials that are already there. Let's see. I'm gonna put this up here. They got a nice car. Also, have you seen the free? Have you seen the free asset store? They got a nice car. Yeah, actually, I just bought a few things from the asset store for the Black Friday sales. I like splurged on some cool assets. Illegal tile X. I did splurged by accident. I bought some cool ass monster models. And I'm gonna add them to the game, which would be cool. I see. Okay, Albedo. Let's change this to illegal X. There we go. Let's do. Let's go back to materials, and I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna do Gothic material. And over here, I'm gonna add the Gothic tile. Okay. And so now we got 2 of these cool things. Okay. Okay, cool. So now I can go back to the board materials, and I can go to here finally, and I can do Gothic material. And then for legal material, I can do legal X. There we go. Okay. And now I can try the game again. Let's see. Are we in business? Freedom Dow. Hey, Shaolin, how's it going? A long time no see. I am working on the video game. Let's see. Oh, these are not the default tiles. Let me see what happened. I think when it initially creates the tiles, there is a dictionary, I guess, of tiles, and it's not getting the right ones. Let me look at the code. I could look at the code real quick. Board.cs, we are spawning all the tiles. The question is, where does the tile come from? Board materials. Tile prefab. There is a tile prefab, so I gotta snipe that prefab. So if I go to the game manager or the game, and where is it? It is right here. Okay, so let me go find where that prefab is, and then I'm gonna change it. So we go over here, this, we're gonna change the material. So we're going to change this to Gothic. So it's gonna look like this. A little bit cooler, I would say. Way cooler. Way cooler. Yes, your schedule change isn't so good for me. How's it going for you? It's going all right. Yeah, I started streaming in the morning a little bit just because I was a little bit tired and after work. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see. Sometimes I'll stream at night and sometimes I'll stream early in the morning. We'll see how it goes. In my time anyway. You know what I'm saying? But welcome to the stream. Enjoy the stream. I hope you can catch the stream when you can. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and test the new tiles that we got. We got new tiles going on, and they should look a lot better. Bam! Wow, this looks a lot crazier actually. Oh my gosh, everything is really dark. And then the legal tile. Legal tile does look a little bit better. That is a lot better than what we had before, which was just a red square. But I don't know, this seems kind of like an attack thing. I'm not sure. But, you know, it's cool. We're getting cool stuff in here. There's some scuffage going on over here. What is this? Let's see. Hand animator. I am going to do on point X. How do I change this? What if I do plus equals 3? I don't know. Well, I know what that's gonna do, but we'll see. And this is cool. Now I need one for, I want to do something for the background. Like, the background's all black. I need to change it. So maybe I need like a ground sprite. New materials. Let's make a material for the ground. Let's see. I'm gonna go to Canva. I'm gonna go to Canva again, and I'm going to. We're gonna make a ground texture. Let's add page. Let's do. We got all these textures here. What's this? I am curious to see what that would look like actually. But I want the background to be black, so I could just turn this to black, right? Yeah, okay. And then this can be white. That does look kind of interesting. I don't know. We'll put that there. We'll keep that in the back burner. Back burner. But for ground texture, let's see. Ground floor texture. Floor texture. Texture. Okay. grid. Make it rusty. Make it grimy. Make it steampunk. I kind of want it to be simple. Mainly simple. Oh no, make the floor an emoji, dude. No. These are kind of funky. I need dirt. How about rocks? Rocky texture. Okay. Maybe something like this? Nah, I changed this. Let me edit this. Can I edit it? Let's see. I want to make it a bit darker. No, like that's intensity. What's that do? Can't tell. Red is kind of cool. Let's see. How can I make it darker? Darker, magic grab. What is all that? What is all that? What the heck? Filter, see all. Color. Nordic. Vintage, color pop, nope. Maybe something. These are all funky. None. What'd I do? What'd I do to the image? It's all okay. How about that? And okay, let's just try this. Let's just download these two. See what happens. I'm just curious to see what that would look like. Download available will be available after browsing is complete. Okay. Yeah. What did I do? What the heck? Share. Download. Let's do these two. No, wait, these two. Download and oh, I didn't want to download that one. What's it doing? Okay. Let's just see. We got these new ones. Extract. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. We got these, and I'm gonna put these in materials, I guess. We'll convert these to sprite. Apply. Convert to sprite. Apply. Let's just, I don't know, I'm gonna just copy this material. I'm gonna just call this rocky floor. And then I'm gonna copy this again. We'll do another one called white dots. White dots going here and rocky floor going here. Okay, so we got these two material textures and materials. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna go to the game and I'm gonna go find the floor and I'm gonna change the floor. So let's try the rocky one. Whoa, these are ginormous rocks. Not quite what I had in mind. These rocks are a little bit too big. Whew. There's a way to, you know what? If I go to the sprite itself, because I don't think I can do this in the material, but if I go to the sprite, I think I can change wrap mode to repeat, and this should repeat everything. No? Okay, never mind. Isn't that what? Huh. Okay, that didn't work. Emission? Tiling. 2. Let's do 2 by 2. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. Wow, this surprisingly tiled well. How did that happen? What the hell? Surprisingly a little too well. Okay. Let's go to 4. Whoa, not 34. I think maybe we even go even deeper. Okay. Something like that, yeah. And then we can even make it dark. Make it red, dark red. Hell yeah. And I'm gonna change this back to not repeat, but clamp. Oh damn. Never mind. Just kidding. Let's undo that. We were right on the money over here with the repeat. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. And save. And save. You Bob. 1, 2, 3, Joel. Whoa. The floor is really big. Damn. Any advice? At least that's fixed. Do. Damn, this song goes hard. What the hell? Yeah, I think when it comes to the background, let's go ahead and make this really tile a lot, because I didn't realize the scale of the tiling. These are really giant. So I gotta do something like, where's the floor? Tiling, rocky floor. Yeah. So let's see. If I go to the floor and I go here, tiling is like that. But I really need to do like 20 by 20. Okay, that should be fine. Let's go to login. Wait, did I save? Did it save? I think it did. Okay. Login. Okay, looks something. We got rocks for the floor. At least it's not black. I don't know. Sure. We'll work with we'll figure something out. We got some, we can experiment more. But for now, we'll just leave it like this, and then so I should be able to play a card. All right, I'll play that card, and then I end my turn. This dude plays a card. He walks up. Oh shit, I can't click on anything. Okay, well that's a bug. Can I end my turn? No reference exception. What the hell? Player 2 camera. And the card back should be in something. Player 2 camera. Let's see. What do you say to the OpenAI disaster? Ooh. I actually didn't look into the most recent news, but I heard Sam Altman got fired from OpenAI, and then he got an offer at Microsoft, right? But then I heard someone tell me that he ended up going back to OpenAI despite the board firing him. So I think he said that he would only come back if the board leaves. So now I'm wondering, did the board actually leave when he came back? Let me see. OpenAI said to reach an agreement for Sam to return as CEO days after his ouster, capping frenzy discussion about the future of the startup at the center of artificial intelligence boom. OpenAI brings Sam Altman back as CEO days after ouster. Ousted. Sunday was back building negotiator return. Sam Altman, let's look into The Verge. Sam Altman will return as CEO of OpenAI and recovering an unattended boardroom coup that sent the company into chaos over the past several days. Former President Greg Brockman, who quit in protest of Altman's firing, will return as well. The company said in a statement late Tuesday it has an agreement in principle for Altman to return alongside a new board composed of Brett Taylor. So they got a new board, okay? Brett Taylor, Larry Summers, Adam D'Angelo. D'Angelo is a holdover from the previous board that initially fired Altman on Friday. Oh, he's part of the problem. He's part of the problem. He remains on this new board to give the previous board some representation, we're told. Okay, I don't know about that. People familiar with negotiations say that the main job of this small initial board is to vet and appoint an expanded board of up to 9 people. That will reset the governments of OpenAI. Microsoft, which has invested over $10 billion in the company, wants to have a seat on that expanded board, as does Altman himself. During a press tour this week, CEO Satya Nadella said the company didn't want any more surprises, right? We're told that both sides have agreed to an investigation into the whole saga, that the investigation will probably be done by an outside independent law firm. Based on our conversation with people involved, the very human power struggle at the center of all this seems not yet completely over. All key parties posted about the deal for Altman to return, which we're told is a done deal minus some last minute paperwork on X. He said that everything I've done over the past few days has been in service of this team and its mission together. The board of opposing withheld detailed reason for why they fired him, even under the threat of lawsuits from investments employee walkouts. On Sunday, they said they were going to walk out, and they never did. Those lying sons of bitches. Well, I shouldn't say that. That's mean. But anyways, they threatened they would walk out, and I don't know if they actually followed through on that or not. It sounds like they did not. That's how deep this all goes. Flip back to Altman's camp after being pleaded with Brockman's wife officiated their wedding at OpenAI headquarters. The flipping of Sut Skever, who's also OpenAI's chief of science, left the remaining 3 board members more vulnerable. We are so back. Interim CEO Emmett Shear, who was appointed on Sunday by the board to replace previous interim CEO Mir Murati, at one point threatened to resign unless the board could provide documentation or evidence of going to support Altman's firing. Damn, dude, what is this board doing? It just sounds like they're just fucking shit up for no reason. I'm not even sure. Dude, the OpenAI board, what the hell is that? What the hell is the OpenAI board? That's all I have to say about that. What the hell? They're doing the crazy stuff. They're not explaining themselves. They really should get their butt kicked. I don't know. Sorry, I had some peanut butter. Randomly eat peanut butter. I know. Sounds like they're projecting. The board is the one with the issues. Communicating is what it looks like. Yeah. It's crazy. Okay, well, that was just interesting. That was so random, dude. Just random stuff. Just the studio getting fired, rehired, like nothing happened. Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. Fucking San Francisco, bro. It all happens here. Okay, what was I doing? I need to fix the RAID controller, and I need to allow the current player to click on stuff if it's the current player. So on left click if it's a card, and the current player.proto.id does not equal static game data.player ID. Okay, I think I see what I gotta do. Basically, I gotta go to the end-turn function, and I got to update the this is gonna get a little bit complicated. Let me think about this. An easy thing to do would be to I am going to save static game data public static long mock player ID. We're just gonna do that, and what I'm gonna do is when I spawn everything, handle single player. There's a handle single player function over somewhere right here. Handle single player. We're creating a new player boob, but I'm gonna do static game data dot mock player ID equals boob dot boob player ID. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. And on the end turned, because I have to mock the second player because this game is technically multiplayer over the network, but that'd be too hard to test. So I'm just doing mocking stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if single player mode is on, I am going to switch to if static, or I should do static dot static game data dot player ID equals static equals wait, what? Okay, if it equals mock player ID, wait, what am I doing? If it equals this, you know what? Let's not do an equals. Let's just switch player with mock player ID. Static game data equals. Okay, I need a third variable. Int temp ID static player ID. What's wrong with here? What? It can't convert long. Okay, long. Okay, and then I can't do this. That's long. This is Is it not static game data? There we go. And then we set that to temp ID. What is this mad about? Swap via disk construction? Oh my god. What does that mean? I've never seen this syntax. What the hell? A tuple and a tuple. This looks like C# craziness. I don't know what's going on there. Well, whatever. I'll trust the IntelliJ thing that this actually swaps these two things. That is so weird. Okay. Okay. Well, let's just test it out. And after this, I gotta go. So let's test it out and then we're gonna head out. And that's it. Wrap the stream up. We had a good run today. All right, but I'm going to, yeah. All right. Let me play a card. All right, the hand comes back when I play a card. That's a good sign. Let's end my turn over here. All right. Ooh, look at that. Looks nice. Feels nice. And let's try to play a card. No. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Hey, look at that. This is looking good. I gotta say. Oh wait, the cards, my hand didn't reappear. So it only works with the other side. If we go back. Where's my hand? No reference exception. Set card position. Okay, there's a few bugs, but we are getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Very cool, very cool. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna commit everything and call it a day. Thanks for coming to the stream, Shaolin. Thanks, Freedom Down, for coming. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Let me see. Added new materials for the tiles and fixed bugs with the hand and card backs. Oh, thank you, thank you. All right. Fortunately, I have to wrap the stream up. So I'll see you guys next time. Cheers, my friends. Have a good one.